Okay, welcome to another day of renovation journey. Today will be a quick one. I think it's a public holiday, so not much work is being done by the contractor, except by a few of us to clean the place. So this is just the first touch of the cleaning, so it's expected to be dirty. So I just run you through what are some of the things we clean. So you see the stove, right? The stove we managed to clean one round. So probably we're gonna do another round to ensure that it's clean enough. So all the quartz top of the existing cabinet I went to scrub. So all the dust the white dust are actually gone, but it's still a bit dusty after 2 days. So we probably will do a few more cleaning on this area, and the cabinet at least is more presentable right now. Okay. So to clean, right, I think the important thing is to also get all these cheap towels. Serena actually got all these towels, I don't know, for 10 cents. So it actually help us to kind of clean the dust and also clean the window. So get as much as possible whenever you start your renovation. Okay. Yeah, so what are the defects? Not really defect. This existing service yard pipe, somehow the stopper here choke. So this is kind of spoiled right now. So I probably need to ask the plumber to take a look. I already informed the interior designer, so he probably ask the plumber to come and have a look tomorrow. Okay. Another thing that we actually clean is this kitchen top. Okay. So I scrub. We clean through using some soap water, and then we dry using a dry cloth. It's much shinier right now, but still you can see that after a reno, right, it's still very dusty. So I think we probably have to clean a few more times. So it just still, even after wiping through, I can still feel a bit of dust on my hand. Yep. And another thing that I realized is, you see this fancy light, right, looks very nice, right? So at the bar rack, right, but actually, right, the electrician, I think, got the wrong size, or he or she forgot to actually put this cover, and then cover it up on the LED light strap. So I already informed my ID about this, so that he can ask the electrician to come down another time to put that back in. Okay. And another thing that we realized is this existing kitchen cabinet drawer, right, from the previous owner, is the hinges is not very smooth, so it's still a bit weird. So I probably ask the carpenter to take another look before they hand it over to us. Okay. So yeah, the others, yeah, the TV console, I think I was having trouble with this second and third partition, right? So I think they already fixed the screw, so it's all good right now. Okay. Shoe rack, I think I checked through, all the hinges are good, so should be good to go. Alright, and we also replaced the peephole. So we got a peephole from Shopee, I think cheap, get rid of the digital one, since we prefer to keep it traditional. Alright, this is a few switches that we'll be labeling in the near future. And we also repair our storeroom, right? So previously, as you can see, all messed up, and the carpenter kindly helped us to fix the rack, so we can actually put some of the stuff right here, right now. We expect all this to be out whenever the furniture has arrived. All these are bed sheets, pillows, bedside tables, mahjong tables, and the secret lab chairs. So this actually will be quite spacious when our house is almost ready. Yep. I just on one fan today. So yeah, so this is a beanbag, okay, and this is something interesting, right? So this is a dining table that we bought from the table guy. Okay, I'll share the link later. So we asked our carpenter our ID recommended carpenter to actually help us fix, and he did a good job. So we kind of saved the assembly costs by us engaging him to do that. So we give props to him, right? So because why I'm saying we are saving the assembly costs, because we bought this table last December, and we cannot hold it at the warehouse for too long, and if we hold it after certain months, we got to get charged for the storage. So we got this table slightly before our renovation start and parked inside the storeroom. And if you want to ask the table guy staff to come and assemble for us, we need to pay some additional charges, which is fair enough, right? But yeah, the table looks good. Can't wait to actually use it when the house is ready. Okay. At the back is some benches. We haven't really set it up yet because we we'll do a general cleaning later this week. So we try to minimize the movement right here. Okay, the windows, yeah, looks fine, right? Yeah. So me and Serene took 2-3 hours to actually clean it because it's very dusty and there's a lot of dirt around. So we probably will clean one more time at the grill side. But for the glass side, we almost completed. It's pretty fine right now. And a tip to clean dirty glass, right, is we didn't use the magic cleaner because it's so dirty. So what you get is some of this kind of Armor or some other brands that actually clean glasses. And how we got to know this, Serene actually used this to clean her car. So she's an expert in cleaning glasses. So what we do is we can apply this to the glass, alright? Then we take a damp kind of wet cloth to wipe it over, and then when it's done, right, you take a dry cloth to wipe it another time so they can have this clear and shiny glass. Okay, we probably do that to the shower screen and the mirror in the bathroom. Okay. And what are the other defects that we might have? Yeah. So the bumper will have to come tomorrow because now it's a public holiday. Yeah. This is okay. Right. And same, the bumper still have to fix this because yeah, it's a public holiday today. And probably some touch of the painting, right? Because we drilled some stuff here, some wall picture ledge from IKEA, so we got to batch a bit on the top here of the picture ledge. Alright, so this is my office, gaming, whatever you call it. I probably have my Omni desk here at this area. You see all the switches and data point, and get maybe a secret lab or a go. And here will be my gaming corner, but this will be a bit later. And now priority is not about gaming. Okay, that's about it. Tomorrow probably all the small fixes will come in, and we shall see how it goes before the renovators start the general cleaning, and then we will evaluate to see whether we need to engage an external cleaner to sanitize, or we can do it ourselves if it's possible. But we shall see then. Okay, thank you. Have a happy holiday.